We're having a cold front, so it's only 96 outside. Let's do some dancing.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. We are going to go over snake legs. But first, thank you, people of Patreon, for helping to make this video free for everyone in the world, including people like you. You are the true heroes. If you're not a patron and you want to help them out, there's a link in the description. Full disclosure, I don't know anything about this move except for how to do it, and even then, it's my conception of how to do it. I mean, is snake legs even the real name of this move? I don't know. If you know interesting history or vintage videos, you know I want to know all about that, leave a comment. So we're gonna start really slow to give our brain some thinking time. And it is going to feel so weird and awkward because something that helps me with this move is momentum. Stick with it, it'll get better. Let's build it up with some music, follow along. Basically the same thing, but a little more tempo. All right, let's talk about a few details. For one, I don't think about this move coming out of my feet, even though it seems so foot-centric. I think about that motion coming out of my hips. Think about rotating your leg in your hip. If you pick up one foot, make your foot face out by internally rotating your leg, and then face in by externally rotating your leg. Now use that rotation to trace a circle behind you with your foot. This is when momentum is really helpful for me. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this will help keep your knees safe. I also twist my hips to help initiate the movement of my leg. Play around with that feeling and see if you can feel the cause and effect. All right, now let's think about how your arms and hips help your legs move. When you add the arms, it's like you are a tornado. Notice how your arms, hips, and legs relate to each other. The rhythm that helps me is quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Try that just with your arms, and then when you feel comfortable, add your legs. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. All right, now let's go over a few details to make it a bit more efficient and to add some style. Transitioning between legs can be tricky. For me, I think of doing little jumps between feet. When I land, the other foot is already beginning the circle. Maybe the foot is circling directly from the ground. Maybe it's kicking out as I land. To me, this depends on style and how much time I have. Play around with it. I'm also trying to keep my knees close together, so most of the motion comes from my lower leg. In the sideways view, you can see I'm letting my gestural knee come up so my lower leg can come up higher. But other than that, I'm keeping it down beside my standing knee. And now a bonus of this move is you can do it in what I would consider a regular time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. But you can also do it in this extra timing and probably many more timings. You gotta play around with it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah! Now to make snake legs more usable for your vocabulary, let's work on transitioning between snake legs and some basic Charleston. We're going to start with 2/8 of basic Charleston, followed by 2/8 of snake legs. Now try transitioning into other moves like boogie drops. For me, this can feel more natural because the boogie drop completes the sideways snaky feeling of my leg's momentum. Again, it's all about experimentation and play. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you did, click like and subscribe and comment and all that YouTube algorithm stuff. If you like the music, it's the Prumo Orchestra, and half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy Hop is a black dance, and I think best way to learn how to do that dance is to do that dance.